Good morning, students. Today we discuss here how organisms reproduce. On the earth, every organism wants to that maintain their species. On the earth, every organism want that maintain own species. For this purpose, every organism reproduce on the earth. Okay, for this purpose every organism reproduce on the earth. Okay, so what is reproduction? Reproduction is the biological process. Reproduction is the biological process in which living organisms produce their young ones. Every time one question is asked in the exam, why reproduction is necessary for the organism. Okay, so by the reproduction all organisms maintain their species on the earth. Okay, by the reproduction all organisms maintain their species on the earth. Therefore reproduction is necessary for the organism. Okay, reproduction are the two types: asexual reproduction or sexual reproduction. So first we talk about the asexual reproduction. The reproduction in which only one parent body is required. The reproduction in which only one parent body is required is called the asexual reproduction. Means here, if one single body is present, so one single body is capable for production of offspring. So that type of reproduction is known as the asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, meiosis not occur. In asexual reproduction, meiosis not occur. Therefore, gametes are not formed in this reproduction. Okay. Next point here: offspring produced by asexual reproduction. Offspring produced by asexual reproduction are genetically and morphologically similar in structure. Therefore, we call it clone. Okay. Whenever asked the question, what is clone? So clone means those offspring which are genetically and morphologically similar in structure called the clone, means same kinds of. Asexual reproduction is not important as a evolutionary point of view. Asexual reproduction is not important as a evolutionary point of view because no new species is formed by the asexual reproduction. Now we discuss here sexual reproduction. Okay, so the reproduction in which two parent bodies are required. The reproduction in which two parent bodies required called the sexual reproduction. Okay, in sexual reproduction meiosis occur. In sexual reproduction meiosis occur. Therefore, gametes are formed in this place. Offspring produced by the sexual reproduction. Offspring produced by the sexual reproduction are morphologically and genetically dissimilar in structure. Offspring produced by sexual reproduction are morphologically and genetically dissimilar in structure. Okay. Next point here: sexual reproduction is important. Sexual reproduction is important evolutionary point of view. Why? Because new characters, new office means variations occur in this type of reproduction. By the sexual reproduction, variation occur in the organism. Therefore, sexual reproduction is important. By the variation, new species are formed. By the variation, new species are formed. Therefore, sexual reproduction is important as a evolutionary point of view. This question is asked in the exam many times. Why sexual reproduction is important? So sexual reproduction is important because by the sexual reproduction variation is occur, and by the variation many new species are formed. So therefore sexual reproduction is important as a evolutionary point of view. Okay, then modes of asexual reproduction. Modes of asexual reproduction: binary fission, multiple fission, spore formation, budding, regeneration, fragmentation, and vegetative reproduction. Okay, next day we talk about their modes of asexual reproduction. Okay,